friends were waiting for you. Your friends were here, they were waiting.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but they had to leave. Yeah, she got out of the car, she was looking back. Anyway, your cars look perfect. Yeah, you all lined up, small, little. Good stuff, good stuff. You all come from a different state?
Yeah.
Okay, which state is this?
Connecticut.
Connecticut? Okay, that's very good.
From New York.
New York City! I'm gonna put you guys on my YouTube.
Oh my god, I don't want to be.
You don't want to be on YouTube? Okay, see.